So last night we heard coyotes out here. We heard them the night before. They're closer this way. And we're gonna go out there. It's what time is it? Almost 10:30. Get a little bit warm.
10:30.
This is the last stand because we gotta drive back home today. We're gonna give them a shot. We got one, buddy.
Fuck yeah, let's kill that other motherfucker.
Oh, that was fucking awesome. That was so fucking awesome. We're still howling. Camera's almost dead. You fucking wiped it. Oh, dude. The camera's almost dead. Killed this coyote pup. It's a nice blonde one. Called it in, killed it under 15 yards with a shotgun. Coyote duet from MFK. Made for a real fun hunt. We had coyotes answering us pretty much all around after 11 o'clock in the summer heat. It's July 14th.
Yeah, we had about 2 packs. We were chasing after one, and then once we got pretty much right on top of them, there's about 2. This one and another one we're calling out a little further, so we split the distance in between the two, set up at a corner of a field. Yeah, and the footage will explain the rest. I had the right side, Luke had the left, and this little pup was coming right through the thick stuff, and I mean it was just a matter of time until he popped right out. One of us had him. It was a epic hunt. Seemed pretty easy. Came all together fairly fast, so it was awesome. Ready for the next one.
We're hooked on this shit.